Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. In the studio today, I got Grayden Bird, one of our project managers. Grayden Bird, welcome back to TLC's podcast, the Bob Carr Show. How are you, sir?
Doing good. Thanks for having me back.
Absolutely. How's your summer?
It's going good. Going well. Staying busy here at work at TLC. It's getting hot. Yards are drying up, so people are calling. So it's going to be good. Going to be fun.
I've been hearing through the grapevine that you've been working at the Miller residence in Davidsonville.
I have. I'm working close with Ben at Walnut Hill. He's our main contact. They're the person that I'm talking to the most there about what everyone else is doing, who's waiting on who, what else needs to get done, and so we can all get wrapped up and paid off.
Gotcha. That was a project that Pyramid introduced everybody to.
Yep.
We've worked with the client's mother and dad years ago, and then she bought the house, and so we're redoing the sprinkler system and lighting system for a second time. The first time was 29 years ago. So there's a lot of history there.
Yeah, no, it's a big system, big house, all new, everything. The house looks amazing. Yard looks good, especially now that Walnut Hill's been in there. All new flower beds, all new walkways, everything that's been going on there. Now we can get in. I think we'll be wrapping up the system today, maybe a little tweak tomorrow, and all the water should be good. And I've got all the lights, all the path lights and up lights are ordered and on their way. So we can get that done soon.
To get all that wrapped up this week, probably.
Yep.
So how did the sprinkler system turned out? Pretty good?
Pretty good. I know we ended up splitting the system clean and dirty, but the pressure's still pretty good on both sides of that system.
So I would say the system ended up more than pretty good. I say it ended up excellent.
Yeah, no, it turned out great.
But we're always downplaying until everything gets 100%.
Got, 32 zones in 2.5 days?
A lot of work.
Yeah.
Especially when it's hot out.
Yeah.
And a lot of other subs are out there working too.
We got 40, 50 people on one job site out in the sun cranking away, and it's a lot of work.
Yeah, but that house is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure working there for sure.
I think it's going to really look good once we get in there and touch it up with our lights at nighttime. It's going to really...
Oh, yeah. I can't wait to get out there at night.
Yeah.
Get some photos of that, huh? It'd be nice. So what else you got going on coming up?
I know this week we've got a lot of drainage, big surge of drainage.
From all the rains,
all the
everybody's
running,
calling now. Water's against their foundations coming in their home.
Exactly.
Some pumps running. They need help.
Yeah. No, jobs aren't too crazy, but there's one job I think is 350 feet and a couple other jobs around 200 feet each.
A lot of drainage.
Yeah.
Mr. Bird, we appreciate you coming in today.
Absolutely.
And we're going to talk to you on another episode of the Bob Carr Show. This wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week on another episode.